Click on the link below to get price. The Edge Royale LED lighted medicine cabinet defogger is an innovative solution that seamlessly blends functionality with modern aesthetics. Measuring a generous size, this cabinet offers ample storage space while ensuring that it remains a focal point in any bathroom. One of the standout features is its 3 adjustable LED lights, which provide brilliant illumination. This is particularly beneficial for tasks like applying makeup or grooming, as the natural light mimicry ensures that colors appear true to life. The vertically adjustable lights are a game changer, allowing users to customize the lighting based on their height or specific needs. Whether you're tall or short, it ensures that everyone can benefit from optimal lighting without awkward shadows. Additionally, the LED lights are energy efficient, which means you can enjoy bright lighting without worrying about excessive energy consumption. The built-in defogger is another impressive feature that elevates this cabinet above standard options. It ensures that the mirror remains clear even during steamy showers, enhancing convenience and comfort. This is particularly valuable for busy mornings when time is of the essence. The defogging mechanism activates quickly and maintains a consistent temperature to prevent fog buildup. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Edge Royale cabinet is both sturdy and stylish. Its sleek design, complemented by a clean, modern finish, fits effortlessly into various bathroom decor themes, from contemporary to traditional. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, making it accessible for most DIY enthusiasts. However, one consideration is its price point, which may be higher than standard medicine cabinets. Still, the blend of advanced features, practicality, and aesthetics justifies the investment for those looking to enhance their bathroom experience. Overall, the Edge Royale LED lighted medicine cabinet defogger is a remarkable product that expertly combines form and function. With exceptional lighting, effective defogging, and stylish design, it is an excellent addition to any modern bathroom, offering both utility and elegance.